Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Daniel Norwood. I'm a product manager of Toad for Data Analysis here at Quest Software. I just want to take a second to talk to you about inefficient data querying. In organizations today, we generally have a couple of different users querying the database. We have developers, we have DBAs, and what we like to call the analysts. The analyst could be anybody. It could be maybe a data analyst, could be business analyst. At times, it could even be business users. But generally, people that spend time querying the database. What's different about them is that you find the developers are generally going to work against a single platform. And the DBA as well, maybe two, but generally they're much more specific in what they do. The analyst has a different type of job. The analyst needs to query the database, and their job is to get the data from wherever it is. So they could be going against a SQL Server database and need to get information from the Oracle database, maybe where the transactions are going on, and then data warehouse, and even Excel spreadsheet or legacy systems. Lots of different data sources for the analyst. So the analysts have several different problems. First of all, they have many different data sources. And naturally, with the different data sources, pretty much each one's going to come with a different tool, and a lot of times those are confusing. Additionally, the processes that they go through can often be very time-consuming. For an analyst, to get information out of a SQL Server database and out of the Oracle database and perhaps even out of an Excel spreadsheet and combine all of that, that's three separate queries, and they have to merge that together in some sort of medium. So what would be ideal is to have a single tool, an intuitive workspace, and to be able to write a cross-platform query. And so now, instead of spending all of this time querying one database, querying another, querying a third, trying to join that information, you get increased productivity by writing one single query which connects to SQL Server, Oracle, Excel, or any other number of different data sources. Additionally, productivity can come from the intuitive workspace. If I have a single workspace I can get very familiar with, then I'm not constantly changing between one tool in one space and one tool in another space and having to remember how to use each one. That can also lead to lower training costs. For managers out there, if I have a single tool that all of my users are using, then I can train on that one tool regardless of platform. So I hope you can see that if you're one of these analyst type users and you're spending time querying the database, any database, that there's another tool out there that's written just for you that's going to allow you to query the database more efficiently and do your job better.